Because she didn't know how else to calm her nerves on Monday, Carmen Paz Villas did what she does best. She went to work, cleaning rooms at the hotel. On her day off. And now, I cry and cry, Paz Villas said, in between rooms, when she learned that, no matter how hard she works, the country she's called home for 18 years doesn't want her family anymore. Everybody with TPS, all we can do is cry now. Welcome to the limited edition 2018 version of the American Dream. Because, according to our government today, it's not enough to work hard, open a 401k, buy a home, obey the law, start a business, get a Costco card, become a sports fan, win Employee of the Month and have a family to become an American. On Monday, the Department of Homeland Security announced the end to temporary protected status for 200,000 immigrants from El Salvador, who have until September 9, 2019, to find a way to obtain a green card or leave the United States. That means Paz Villas's husband can't stay. He's from El Salvador. She's from Honduras, and the administration announced 2 months ago that roughly 57,000 Hondurans in the United States with protected status like her may also have to leave soon. So much for their home, their kids, their neighbors, and their friends in Gaithersburg. Across the nation, especially in the Washington area, which has one of the nation's largest concentration of Salvadorans, immigrants went to work, picked the kids up, paid their bills and worried if this new America is not for them. This is devastating for them, yes, said Lindolfo Carballo, 55, who came to the United States from El Salvador 27 years ago, escaping a civil war hellscape that meant seeing 5 or 6 dead people in the streets every day. But what about America? The country will hurt, too. These people own homes. They have jobs, they help build this country. They aren't going to be the only ones hurt. The folks I talked to, workers and business owners with temporary protected status, TPS, are quietly despairing. Because staying quiet, staying out of trouble, is what gave them legal status year after year. We will lose practically everything, Salvadorans devastated by TPS decision. Why don't they just become legal? People angry about illegal immigration always ask. Because Grandpa Giuseppe did it legally. Uncle Seamus did it legally. Yes, but in those days, immigration was much, much easier. Today, the backlogged immigration system makes applying for political asylum or other forms of permanent legal status far more difficult. Obtaining citizenship can be impossible. That process is over a decade long. It can cost thousands of dollars. It's not realistic, said Uva Benok, an immigration lawyer in the D.C. area. Benok proved that point Monday morning, when she looked at her calendar for the week. I'm going to the asylum office this week for a client who applied for asylum, let's see, July 8, 2014, she said. The interview on her asylum application was finally scheduled this week. And during those years of waiting, the immigrant can be sent back at any moment, at the whim of an unforgiving immigration official or judge. They can always initiate removal, Benok said.